This 5-minute solution will show you how to send HTML email in Gmail. So if you have a HTML website and now you want to share the website through Gmail, follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, we need to install a extension for our browser. So I'm using Chrome browser and I'm going to opening Chrome Web Store. In this search extension box, type here free HTML editor for Gmail and search for it. And this is the actual extension we are looking for. So click on that and click on add to Chrome, add extension. Once the extension added to your browser, it's time to pin the extension. To do that, click on this extension icon and here search for the extension we had just installed and pin this extension. Now go to your Gmail and let's compose a mail. And now through the extension here, you will get this edit as HTML option. Click on it. And here you will get the option to easily add HTML codes. And here you will get your site preview. So here's my website HTML course. I'm going to copy this course from here. And now select here source. And here paste your course. And here we can see my HTML website has been embedded here. And to see your website or HTML in mobile version, click on mobile and here you will get your mobile version. Now all you have to do is just click on close editor and you will see your HTML website has been, HTML mail has been imported here. Now click on send and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.